So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to split a payment in DoorDash. So first of all, download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, you will see it looking something like this with the letter D. And you can see at the bottom, home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. You can search in the middle. You can go to your notifications as well as the shopping cart. So let's head on over to the shopping cart. So once you've chosen an order, you can split the payment within your own group. So let's open up something. So once you open up something you've added to your shopping cart or you create a new order, it doesn't really matter. So you can view your cart for this item or you can just create a new one through here. So if I were to click on this, and you can see in a restaurant meal, something like this, delivery, pickup, and you can see the group order. So you can see here, start your group order. Easily share order with friends and family so each person can add items. Then pay once and get it all delivered together. So you switch between families who wants to get what. So if you're a group that wants to get a meal, you can start the group order. You can see no per person spending limit, and you can even add that. So you can see $10 per person, 15, 20, or other. So you can even toggle that. And then you can see for each individual part of the order how much it pays, and you can divide between yourselves after that. You can even start it through this red button, and you can see invite others to join this group order. So you can message them, mail them, copy the link, and through there they can order through their own accounts. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.